In this video, I'll show you how to use the balances screen. The screen finance teams use day to day to check and interrogate their numbers within Fynapse. By the end, you'll be able to run a query, create a new query on the fly, and read the results with confidence. As finance teams, you'll need to answer a simple question. What's the balance on this account for this entity at this particular date? This is where you come to do that. We're currently within balances within the subledger, and this information is all against a live subledger, so you're always looking at the real posted numbers, not a static report. So the quickest way is to do this via a saved query. I have one here, and it is the balances by company and account. I'll run it, and it gives me a full picture, every company, every account with the balance. But I've also got information like the accounting base and the transaction currency. Because it's saved, anyone on the team can open the exact same view if they've got the required security settings, of course. In this particular example, it's grouped by entity, account, and currency. And those groupings are simply fields that I can choose when I build the report. Every column you can sort as you'd expect. And I can also drag and drop a column header to rearrange my information. Think of it almost like pivoting in Excel. A saved query can also be edited to add in more attributes. So I could add in region, for example, and run, and it will automatically pull that information through to the report. You can also build a query on the fly. So let me start fresh. I'm going to pick the attributes that I want in my report. And this is the benefit of Fynapse. With the wide code block, if the attribute is there, we can report on it. Here, I'm going to pick parent, region, account, and department. And I have the ability to filter my report. So in this case, I'm going to filter on account. As I hit run, it will only show me the results for the particular account that I've filtered on, and this can be easily taken off if necessary. A quick word on reading these results. So every balance is shown in the context of the underlying granularity, and it's worth knowing how this differs from your traditional general ledger. The balance screen sits on the subledger, so it carries the full detail, the department, product, the line of business, etc. So your general ledger feed tends to only get the summary, the account, the entity, the period. But within our balances screen, we allow you to have that full level of granularity so that you can slice and dice as your reporting needs. So whenever you need to explain a number within the GL, this is where you drill to find what the numbers are behind it. I have the ability to click on a magnifying glass, which will take me to the underlying journals of that particular balance. So that is the balances screen. Save a query for standard view or build one on the fly. It's your first stop for checking and explaining the numbers within Fynapse.